Hello, hi. I'm here back again with a food show. So today I bring something different and tasty, more spicy. So come and check it out. And a very special day is up the hill. So all the food I made from home. So bring up the hill and I enjoy cooking over here. See, I have patty, sausage, everything like a noodle. And I have food show today at the up the hill. I will take a picture, a video for you to look. This is what I'm beginning to do it. So first of all, and I make fresh like a sauce patty, and then I fry them, and so I'm gonna enjoy. So very tasty. So first thing, turn like this, still raw. I'm going to dry with sun dry, and then after that, so we're gonna cook like this. Fry them fresh. This is how I make sausage patty. Sausage patty. See? It's brown. Look. Good. Then after that we get done, turn like this. See? We call sausage patty. The Mien style, my new style, my new recipe. So I have the other thing. And I bring up here. So this curry, this stew, beef stew. Beef stew really tasty. I'm gonna eat a show with you. Then I made homemade with the Korean style. I make a homemade, home cooked it from home. So delicious. It's yummy. See? That's my new idea to do this. But later on, so you guys see that when we later home. When I have my friends come join with my food, so they bring all the family. They come to taste my food, so I'm happy to see them just come enjoy my food. This is my homemade pepper sauce. It's very delicious. Put my flavor. Spicy, salty, not really salty, like sour. Look really good. Everything all done. Ready to eat. Ready? Go. Tell me the sausage patty has flavor. Is it spicy?
No, not that side. It's the other side.
You good? Wow, sticky rice with sausage patty, huh? Nice. Ooh, we have all the kids come over here join us. So I'm gonna get some Mien pepper sauce. Mien pepper sauce, smash, cilantro, fish sauce. I like pepper. This sausage patty we fry. Look, sausage patty homemade, very nice. See that? Look patty. I'll try to get some more. Get it. Okay, let's get time to enjoy my delicious foods at the forest. See that? I can enjoy my pepper. So good. Oh man. This is my patty right here. I homemade. I make myself. Sausage patty. Oh. Wow. Whoa, so flavor. Man, it's delicious. Wow. It's good to hard to show the flavor, so It's a secret, everything. This Korean noodle, Korean style. So this is stir fry. Oh, so mouthful, man. And then I got my beef stew over here. With chili, so I'm make a curry, beef curry. Ooh, so good, so tasty. Man, you might try with my food with this. If you like your own flavor, make your own sauce, so more flavor. So anything you like it, you put your own ingredient. Tastes good. And this is some kind of sausage. That's so hot. Got some meal pepper. Yeah. See that? It's a beautiful place to enjoy in the forest over here. You get fresh air. Pretty cool. Yeah. If you guys see it, kind of join me next time. So enjoy my food. It's a ham over here. Man, I can tell. Can't stop eating with this stuff. Huh? Bring your family, bring your kids up here, enjoy with us at the fresh air, at the forest, at the mountains, so beautiful view. So anytime you guys want to, you guys see my video, I so appreciate so much to enjoy us. So thanks for watching. So I will give me some more power and give me credit. I will try to make more better for in the idea and more succession for next forward. The food was gone. Nothing left out. So full, nothing left. Eating foods like no hot, no flavor. So gonna be hot, more flavor, more tasty. This is my new friend. So come over here, join my
got a new visitor.
food. Right here.
His name is Highway. I mean Freeway.
So what you got over here? Oh man, sticky rice. Oh, the fast flyway. See, we got fun over here. Bring all the families, bring all the foods over here. So what you got? Sausage.
Chicken.
And then the sticky rice and with the pepper sauce, hot pepper sauce, and then chicken wing. So have big fun up here. Enjoy our family. See that?
I'm going to.
Wow. Nice. There's a big boom over there. Let's see, we got sticky rice over here. We got some chicken wing. So it's fried. Little chopstick. Got some ham here.
It's good. I like it. I like the pepper. Spicy.
I like the ball.
You can't get the spicy food, huh?
Eat the spicy first.
See, I like hair.
We have more kids and puppies come enjoy us out of fresh air over here. Ooh, good. Let's see what. Yeah. More flavor. Yeah, I like the fish eyes over here. Fish eyes, maybe the missing fish eyes. Look at this spot over here. Wow. Oh man. Shit. Can tell the flavor. So good.